DukeCreate is a program from Duke Arts that offers free hands-on arts workshops for students, faculty, staff to engage in the arts and to develop their creative skills. Released and workshops are designed for beginners and focus on a wide variety of creative arts from ceramics to drawing to basket weaving, printmaking, and more. Wow. Okay? Perfect. So we've got 3 different designs, 3 different teams, and they're all doing a great job. Yeah, you want to lift it when you flip because what's happening is DukeCreate partners with Duke Wellness and other campus organizations to reach the Duke community at large, spreading the joy of art and creative engagement throughout campus.